Good afternoon, folks. We're coming to you from our Airbnb that we moved to earlier this week. This Airbnb cost us $1,800 for a month, which is $60 a night. And I guess we'll show you around and you can be the judge if that's worth the price, but we're really enjoying it so far. And we're only about 8 minutes from the beach, which will take you there after we do a tour of the house. Then we even saw some hiking trails near the house, so going to check those out, but let's take a tour.
Something that I love about this Airbnb is that you have these things to relax. There's 3 of them and it's so good. We have one more. And here we just have a place to relax, to eat, everything. Here we spend a lot of our time. We actually work here too. So
yeah, in the day, I'll literally set my computer up from right over here and then just work outside. So it's really relaxing. Oh, and we can't forget about the outdoor kitchen.
Oh.
We have a really nice sink. And then this is like a grill oven. It's really good.
And now we're coming inside of the house. The first thing that you can see is the kitchen. It's kind of huge. I feel like 3 people can be cooking here and it would be fine. The living room, well, the table. And then we have the living room, which we have the we have the chairs like that so the dogs can go on the sofa. But it's really, really nice. Now we're going upstairs.
Oh, before we go upstairs, I love this right here. This is a map of the island we're staying on. So a map of Florianópolis. We're actually right here in Lagoinha.
Upstairs, we have a really nice balcony. Spectacular, all green. Here we have a little space that, to be honest, we don't really use. Here, the guest bathroom. Here we have one of the bedrooms. We actually have 3 bedrooms. Here we have the second one. Oops. We have like 3 little beds, which is really good. This house is actually for 7 people. And here we have our bedroom. Voila. The master bedroom with a really, really nice view.
Yeah, I love the view. Waking up in the morning right over here. Get the trees, all the green. Nice tree view, literally just right from my window right here.
And we have a bathroom en suite, which is awesome. I love it. So you can see the shower, it's huge. Like, oh my gosh, I can be like dancing and I have a lot of space. So it is great.
That is the entire tour of the home. And yeah, $60 a night. I mean, we're enjoying it. We're gonna be here for the full month. Sally's parents are also staying with us right now, which you can meet them in a second. So for the 4 of us, really spacious, nice living space, and reasonably priced for all the accommodations. Here they are. Dicen hola.
Hello. Hola.
I am going to use the comfort of this outdoor kitchen and make myself a nice drink. I'll show you exactly what that is right now. Bartender Pauli, what do you have?
And here we have some peaches.
A peach. See an apple.
Yeah, banana.
What are those?
Ciruelas. I don't know how to say that in English.
Oh, neither.
But it's really, really tasty. I love ciruelas.
Alright, so we just gotta cut this up and then put it in there with some ice and blend it. And what else are we missing?
Vodka, of course.
Oh, yeah. Really tasty. I mean, it's a smoothie just with alcohol, so it can't be better than that. Now we're just going to enjoy our drinks and then head over to the beach. It's only an 8-minute walk from the house. I'm also going to fly the drone around just to give a better perspective of exactly where the house is located and be able to give like the best appreciation for it because it's great scenery. We just finished our drinks at the house and now we're walking to the beach, which is called Lagoinha, and we're in the Lagoinha neighborhood. We could have driven, but because it's only 8 minutes, we didn't really want to pay the extra $4 or $5 that it is for parking down here. When are we buying that house over there?
We're actually signing the contract today later, so we're going to record that for you.
just got settled down, and as you may have noticed, there's a lot of people here. It is a Saturday. Jorge was generous enough to put up the umbrella for us all. We got our lawn chairs, and there is seating that can be paid for. I didn't see any umbrellas that were rentable, but I did see lawn chairs that were rentable. So luckily our Airbnb had the chairs in it fully stocked, so that's great as well. Good?
Beautiful, it's perfect. It's not cold, it's not hard, it's like perfect, I swear.
The water is actually pretty clear.
Yeah.
We had to walk a little bit to get down here just because at the main entrance, that's where everyone was set up at. But yeah, just phenomenal color to the water, and there's a few other things I really like. For example, there's these nice points like that one right over there that just makes for pretty scenery, and then there's some hills, and the house is on the hills way over there. Zoom in a little bit, and it just makes for a nice setting, really pretty. There's also another one of those points over there, so this is really like a big bay area, it feels like, in between that point and that point over there. Enjoying the beach to its absolute fullest. The water is incredible, and I also want to find a caprioshka to drink because I absolutely love those. So we're gonna go find the drink and go find the trail in that order. Right there's where we can get the caprioshka.
No, we don't need it.
Yes, we do. We're getting it right now. Hola, Kita. Caprioshka con vodka. Vodka? Yeah. Yes. Uy, gracias. Qué bueno. There it is. That's literally art.
Yeah, but it's like super strong.
That's
Yes,
the way we
vodka,
want it. We want it
vodka.
strong.
Yeah, I don't know if I will be able to do hiking.
So right there behind me, that is where we just bought that drink at, and pretty much on all of the beaches here in Brazil we've been to, they just have these cart pushers walking around and making drinks. You can also find food. Actually, not all of the beaches. When we went to Tinguá, they didn't have anybody there doing it, but a lot of them, especially this beach right here, there's a plethora of options, and they are really good drinks. Amazing. I love these. There's another one of those carts. They're everywhere. There's the sign for the trekking. Camino Brasileiro Santiago de Compostela. Don't ask me to try to pronounce that again, but that's the trail that we're coming on, and hopefully it does take us to that panoramic view that we're looking for. Look how nice this is. Like, this is actual street all along here, and there's homes, and it's like so private.
I said I wouldn't mind living here. It's so beautiful and have a really nice view. What more do I want?
Wow, this is the view on the road. That's the beach that we were at, just right over there. This is somebody's driveway, and zoom it in a little bit. Yeah, that's crazy. That's the beach, or that's the ocean, and that's an island way out there. Wow.
That's so cool!
What is it? Wow, that's an incredible view. As we're walking, Pally and I are discussing our travel plans for the future and how we should probably just stop them and decide to move right here, right now, to one of these homes and just be satisfied with life after that. So I think it's a okay plan. You okay?
Yeah, but it says that the walking is like 1.5 hours more. I don't think I can.
Right behind me, right there, is the sign for the actual start of the trail. On the map, it didn't look like it was very long, but this sign is saying it's 1.5 hours, and it's already 5 o'clock, and Bally doesn't want to do it. I don't think I really want to do it. So we're gonna do a cheat code here and just fly the drone up over there and then just see what it looks like, and I'm sure it'll be great. So let's see it. Well, those are some fantastic views, and I hope to actually go do that trail myself in person and not just rely on the drone. Now, I hope you all enjoyed the Airbnb as much as we are. If you ever want to come here, stay in that same Airbnb, I'll put the information down below. You can find it there. And if not, well, then just come along with us on our next journey. So, see you on next video.